Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this is not financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with Casper. Excuse me for a second. Again, guys, bear with me if I sound a little bit different. I'm still, it's like this cold don't want to leave me alone. But anyways, guys, today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we will look at the 24 hours market performance, which again have everybody, running to the hills. Everybody's still afraid. And then we'll look at prices in details. And after that, guys, we'll look at our position, okay, to see whether we are going down, we're going up, are we in Rex City already, whatever, okay? Yeah, we'll check that. But before we do that, excuse me. Before we do that, guys, we want to talk about something that most people, not most, almost everybody, nobody's talking about and nobody tells you. Which is, yes, it is fun. It is fun to trade, to have a leverage trade. Okay? The most safest thing you can do is just, to avoid all the headaches and all the risk. Just buy your coins on spot, hold them in your cold wallet or exchanges, whatever you want to do. Okay, I recommend you the coins that you don't care so much about, leave them on exchanges for quick selling. But those that you do care about, put them in your cold wallet. I use Tangent. I don't know what you use, but I recommend Tangent. It's very, very easy to use. Excuse me. So yeah, that is one. But what people don't tell you is like, everybody else would be, oh, go leverage trade. You make a lot of money. That part is true. It is true. You make you a lot of money leverage trading versus if it was just spot trading alone. But the thing is, when you leverage trade, there are four major things you have to know about. Okay, number one is going to be the amount which you are going to use for that leverage trade. Okay, number two, the margin. Margin means, are you trading at 5x? Are you trading at 10x, 50x, whatever? Okay. Number three, timing. For me, timing is almost one of the most important things. Okay, timing. And number four, the fees. Okay, trading fees, which is what I'm going to talk about most today. Trading fees. So, number one, amount. You cannot expect to make the same amount of money if you are trading with $100 versus me who is trading with a position of $10,000. That we already know. You cannot. It is just it's just impossible. Come on. It is just impossible because first, you are using $100 and the level of risk I am taking with the $10,000 is the difference is way like I don't know, the risk difference is way higher on me using 10 grand versus you using $100. Therefore, me with 10 grand, I am going to make much money. Okay, if you go with the second option, the second point, which is your leverage, which are like how much you're using. Okay, the trick is, if you're trading with 5x, yes, you're going to make money, but your risk level is lower versus me who is trading at 50x. Understand? Therefore, I will make more money than you if things go my way. But again, I stand a higher risk. Like if things just move down a little bit, I run the risk of losing my money, all of it, versus you who is trading at 5x. Okay, that is the second point, and everybody else need to explain that to you. Like, okay, that's why I usually say when you're starting to trade, do practice. Yeah, practice with 5x. Try to turn $10 into 20, 20 into 50. Practice with that. Once you get the hang of it, then you can go up 10x, then 20x or 30x. And then if you look at my signals that I give you guys on on my social media, on my X account, or hey, I just also signed up for Bluesky. I'll also start posting that link below. The signals I give you guys, I usually say 10x because I think that you're no longer a beginner. Those of you following me, if you're practicing, yes, you're no longer a beginner, but you can also go through a 10x with risk management. So yeah, that's another thing that people need to tell you. The amount of money you will make trading at 5x, okay? 5x, which is very, very safe, is going to be different from what you are going to make if you are trading 10, 20, 50x. 50x, you make much more money, but it's a lot more riskier, okay? Come on. Going to point number 3, which is timing. Again, that's something else that I usually tell you guys. I do not wait for price confirmation because timing is everything. Forget about whoever is trying to show you how to trade. Timing is everything, okay? Some people will tell you, yeah, they can pick when the price is going to break out and then they can do this and that. Guys, it's a lot of headache you trying to figure out when this, how low a price is going to go before it bounces up. It's a lot of headache. For somebody like me, I don't do that. Okay, like for me, I start trading, for example, I'll give you Bitcoin, because let's use Bitcoin. Bitcoin has already a track record. Bitcoin can easily pick out what it's going to do next. Now, there are people that like to follow the trend, like, oh, on the daily, it goes up, it goes down, do the daily trend. Me, it is different because timing for me, I open my Bitcoin long position way before the even Bitcoin halving. I open it. So because I know after the halving, prices, it was going to start to go up, right? So I open mine months, way before the Bitcoin halving when price is still going down. That's when I usually open my long position because for me, I know whether people like it or not, time is going to come when it's going to reverse. It's almost reversing, then it will go. As a matter of fact, you guys seen my position. Quant, you guys saw let me use a quant. You guys saw when my quant was like negative 30, 40, 50%. Because for me, timing for me, I don't want to wait to try to figure out when the market makers are going to decide to start turning the market around. So the earlier you enter a trade, the better it is for you. But that has to go hand in hand with your risk management. Are you okay looking at your position 40% down? Are you okay with it? Oh, come on. Someone like me, it doesn't matter. Even if it goes down negative 70%, I'm still good. All I just do is just keep adding to my margin. That's me. That's the way I trade. There are other people that like to wait for the price to confirm before they enter a trade. But the risk you run with that is like you saw what happened with Bitcoin twice now. The price confirmed, it starts to go up, but what did you get? Price just dumped, like liquidate everybody. But if you had entered a trade like me way before, whether it was negative or not, by now that Bitcoin's at 102, 103,000, even if the scam weight goes down, it ain't going to reach me. Because first of all, I came in way early and I don't use stop losses. Okay? Now, the fourth part, the big elephant in the room that nobody's telling you about. It is fun to trade. It is fun to make the money, but you need to calculate the fees. You need to know how much of that is going to go into your fees. Therefore, for beginners, I usually recommend Bydfi. And the reason for that is because Bydfi, they take the fees out of your position. Okay, for you, the amount you're going to pay every day depends on the size of your position. I'm going to show you two different places right now between my Bydfi and my Margex. Okay, but one key important thing you have to take out is that those exchanges that have very low trading fees, the profits are also low. Do you understand? The profits are also low. Exchanges that have high trading fees, the profits are very high. That's something that most people don't explain and they don't tell you. So therefore, we are going to check one that two similar excuse me, two exchanges that come on, that have similar criteria, okay, which is Bydfi and Margex. Two of them have similar criteria in which they take the fees out of your position. The difference between Margex and Bydfi is that with Bydfi, you can add onto your position and it will drop your liquidation without messing with your margin. But Margex, you have to mess with your margin before your liquidation goes up and down, which is something I don't like about them. Okay, but anyways, now that's what we're going to talk about today. Okay, so therefore it's better when I show you when we go to the price action. So you have to understand it. The amount you use, it doesn't make any sense if you're going to pay a lot of fees and you're not making profits. Therefore, that is why for me it is important that I open long-term trades. Long-term trades in which my fees along for the next 8 to 10 months, it might rack up to $30,000 for a position. But if things go my way, which I'm probably sure they're going to go, I'm going to make, let's say for example, I'm going to make $850,000 on a position, but $30,000 of that goes to fees. I take that trade any day. I'll take it any day. Okay, so yeah, I'm about to show you guys in a minute. But anyways, before we get to that, let's look at the market performance right quick. Okay, so let's look at the market. First of all, let's find the levels right here. As you can see, everybody is still indecisive. Nobody knows what they want to do yet. On the weekly, everybody is indecisive, and that's why I usually tell you guys, this is the time that money is made. This is how money is made. I wouldn't wait. If I did not have positions open, I would have opened positions right now. But as you guys already know, I have my positions open, and all I have to do is wait, because I'm telling you guys, we have 48 to 72 hours and you're about to see this thing take off. So anyways, now let's go here right quick. See, this is what they're doing. Prices go up on the hourly and then they will drop again, hourly, and then they will drop again. But anyways, now let's go look at the King Casper first. KAS Casper right here. For the past hour, Casper is up 0.6%, 0.4% down on the day, 2.4% up on the week, 18.8% up on the month, and 36.2% up on the year. Sitting at the market cap of $4.15 billion, and the 24 hours volume traded at $248.9 million. Look at those numbers and compare them for the past 2-3 days. It's going flat. Casper is not moving. It's just calling up. That's what I would say. Okay, if you look at Quant, the people's hater, you guys already know what I mean by that, right? Quant, we are up 1.7% up on the hour, 1.1% down on the day, 0.1% down on the week, 127% up on the month, 23.6% up on the year. And look at the market cap, $2.05 billion, and the 24-hour traded volume sitting at $78.11 million. Excuse me. Now let's go look at Jasmine. JAS. Here we go here. JAS. For the past hour, Jasmine is up 1%, 4.1% down on the day, 25.8% down on the week, 110% up in the month, and 622% up in the year, sitting at a market cap of $2.05 billion, just like Quant, and 24 hours trading volume sitting at $400 million approximately. Again, look at those numbers, guys. Look at those numbers. It tells you that Jasmine is just consolidating, getting ready to go. So, you see, if you follow me on my X, I've been telling you guys, it's time for you to get in. It's not financial advice, but it's time for you to get in. This is how money is made. A lot of people are going to pay attention to this, and I'm telling you, 48 to 72 hours from now, I will sit here and I will tell you, yep, I told you so. That's how it usually starts. Because I'm looking at these coins and I'm looking at the momentum getting ready to go. The thing is that a lot of people are afraid. They see Bitcoin and they think Bitcoin is about to crash all the way to $85,000. But if you're part of this, my millionaire journey, I've been telling you guys, Bitcoin is going to range from 90,000 to 110,000. That is going to be the Bitcoin range until it finally takes off for the gear 5, for the step 5 of the bull run, the parabolic moment. So yeah, if you are ready for it, good, because right now the altcoin season has not started yet. It's about to start, which is something I'm about to show you guys too. Again, a lot of people don't know how to read this stuff, but in my millionaire journey, this is how we trade. And I usually say it, now is the time for you to get in. Okay, scale your positions up. That way, even when the scam week does that, you won't get liquidated. And when the market takes off, even if you're down 20, 30, 40, 50%, get ready for that 300 or 400% upwards. That's what it is. Okay. Anyways, now let's go look at prices in a little bit details. Let's see what the market has been doing. Let's go there. Trading view. We about to start with King Casper. I apologize. I need to keep drinking my hot coffee because this is really like affecting me. If you guys understand part of my journey, you guys already know these lines. Again, we had them for months and months now because they serve for a reason. If you look at it, we're on the 1 hour, by the way. If you look at it, we came and I told you guys this was a very important resistance slash support. Okay, that's why you're looking at it right now. We come in, we break below it, come above it, break below it, come above it, and this resistance is sitting. Oh, come on. Excuse me. And this resistance slash support is sitting at 16.3, 16.4 of a cent. Okay, so yeah, that's what Casper is doing right now. And if you guys pay attention, I think like in the next 48 to 72 hours, we are about to see this try to go up there to retest the 17.3. Yesterday I told you guys the same. You guys saw that we went on, tried to retest it, and then came back again. The same thing is going to happen, and we're about to see this again, try again to retry and retake it. Casper is doing absolutely what we have all been expecting. If you go into the 4 hourly right here, see, no difference. There is no difference. So yeah, we went above 18 cents, which we were expecting a daily to close above it, but it didn't happen. Came all the way. Now we're bouncing back up again. What we do, we broke above it. Coming back is confirming it as support, and then we're about to keep on the upwards momentum again. Guys, I wouldn't recommend you panicking right now. This is how money is made, guys. I don't know how many times I have said it so far, but this is how money is made. Okay, if you look at it on the daily, let's go on the daily right here. You will see the same thing. Okay, let me zoom out. Look at that. What I've always told you guys, once you see this Star Wars candle, that's what I call them, the Jedi. You see this candle, and it's green, it's a reversal, it's going up. So yeah, there is no point of panicking. Look at the ribbon, guys. You see the ribbon is going up. Look at the moving average going up. So everything here, again, we came back, we are on top of this important support right now. Every time we broke below it, look at how fast it got butt right back up. So yeah, this price action is telling me that yeah, Casper is going up. We're getting ready to retest that 18 cents resistance again. We have 48 to 72 hours for that to happen. Okay, now let's go look at Quant right quick. Again, everybody else is running for the hill when it comes to Quant, and I keep telling you guys, there is no need to panic. Quant is getting once we confirm that daily above $164, Quant is getting ready for that $5,000 move. So everybody is still telling you the same. No, Quant is going lower. Oh, look at that. Maybe that was the local top and we are not going to do this. Guys, Quant is getting ready for that $5,000 move. The only thing we need to do right now, Okay, I want to see Quant confirm the price above $164. The first resistance is going to be this one, 150. Okay, and we got 48 to 72 hours. Okay, first resistance is $150. Remember I told you guys about it before, right? See, we came back, supported, tried, got rejected. Now we're trying again. We're gonna see go above 150, then this 164. Guys, we need to confirm a daily candle above 164. After that, guys, $300 will be the next target. Okay, $280, $300. That's what will be the next target. And after that, all-time high will be something that Quant will reach in a matter of days or even weeks. Okay, so yeah, it's what I'm watching out for. I don't know why people are panicking, but anyways, everybody has their own trading strategy. Okay, if you look at it on the daily, see, this is something, again, like I usually say, you need to zoom out. This is on the daily. Look at the moving average and look at the ribbon, guys. This is what I'm telling you. Quant has not even done yet. It came all the way down, tested the moving ribbon, and bounced. And each time, look at the candles. Each time, the candles are smaller. It's squeezing in. It's getting ready for that pop. So, yeah, I don't know about you, but this is how we make money in my millionaire journey. Anyways, now, let's go look at Jasmine right quick, okay? Look at that. This on the hourly, see? It has already started to go. But anyways, let's go look at Jasmine. Jasmine is something that everybody else was telling, like, yeah, maybe the momentum was going down. And I was like, guys, Jasmine is still in its bull trend. As long as we maintain above the 2 cents, Jasmine is doing perfectly good. And again, the simple things that people don't pay attention to. That's why I tell you, for me to trade, I don't need rocket science. Look at the ribbon. Ribbon is already green. It's still green despite the price action, which that tells you what? Manipulation, okay? Ribbon still green. So somebody with big money is trying to dump the price, but I don't think they're going to do it. I don't think they're going to do it. They're going to be able to do it. This thing is about to start going up. First, we need to confirm the 4.5 cents, okay? 4.5 cents, again, is the top of that cup and handle. Once we confirm a daily candle above 4.5 cents, guys, get ready for 12 cents. That's why I still believe that Jasmine could probably reach 12 cents before the end of December or by the end of December. So yeah, let's just watch what is going on. As you can see, the FMOC meetings, they are all beginning to make sense right now, right? So once Bitcoin gets bullish, everything else gets bullish with it. People right now, they think Bitcoin is going lower. And I'm telling you guys, Bitcoin is showing signs of $110,000, which if it does that, you're about to see Jasmine break this 4.5 cents and head towards the 12 cents that I've been telling you guys about for the longest. And now, look, right now, we are facing this important resistance, like a long time ago when I was trying to talk about this. I told you guys, once we break that 2.3 cents, this 4.5 is going to be the next resistance, okay? So right now, we need Jasmine to close that daily candle above 4.5. After that, guys, get ready to make the money. But you guys already know me. I don't wait for price confirmation. I get into my trades before anybody else and their grandmama does. So what I'm looking at right now, this is just normal price action. You see, we come down. Look at how fast it recovered. Okay, so this here, we're going to see this, then we're going to see next one. The next 48 to 72 hours, we're about to see Jasmine is about to break that 4.5 cents. Almost, I think we're about to be around above that 6 cents in the next 48 to 72 hours. Just watch. And on top of that, the CEO came out today and he was talking about junctions. You guys, let me show you right quick, okay? Let me show you. Because you guys remember when I was telling you guys about junction, there was a day that PlayStation Network wasn't working, and everybody else and their grandmama, they thought like, okay, they thought something else was going on, right? That's what they thought. But anyways, let me, where's my X? Let me bring up my X right quick. X account right here. Everybody else and their grandmama, they were talking about, no, that wasn't this and that. And I remember telling you guys that Jasmine, they were testing junction. Okay, Junction, which is like an AI that is going to be launched on the Jasmine chain. If you go look at his account, Hara, here, let me bring it out. The Hara, who is the CEO, okay? Because they was talking, look at that. He has it on his own page, Junction. You got to dig into it and you will know what I'm talking about. Because they said something and he said in a few days, okay, they are going to have very, very bullish news announcements. Okay, look at that. He said that 11 hours ago. We plan to make an interesting announcement soon, which again, if you look at Neostrix and then you go look at Junction, they have a connection together. Jasmine is going into that, and then they had this Apple ID that the Japanese people are going to be using Jasmine chain, in which you can store driver license, medical records, all that stuff. They can store it on chain using Jasmine. I think this is what they are going to do here. Okay, that's what they're going to do in conjunction. I think they're also going to announce that partnership, that new functional partnership that the Jasmine and Apple just combined together to do. That's what I think they're going to talk about here when he says that we should stay tuned, that they're about to when this Neotrix made the announcement, and the CEO of Jasmine retweeted it saying that very soon they're going to make this announcement. I think that's what it's going to be. And once they announce it, guys, you guys call me what you want, but at 12 cents, I think it's going to even go past it if it is what I think it is. Okay. Anyways, now let's go back here. So yeah, that's why I'm saying that you can see this right here is just the beginning. You see lower and then a little bit before it pops out. Okay, so that's what's about to happen with Jasmine. Anyways, now let's go forward. Let's go back here. Now, like again, I do not condone leverage trading. Again, guys, you need to know the risk associated with leverage trading. But if you do want to venture into it, you do have the links below. Okay, Margex, Bydfi, Phemex. Again, like I said, you need to consider everything I talked about. I'm about to show you my trades right quick, and I'm about to show you more about my fees, what I am paying to maintain those fees open. So yes, you need to calculate everything about it. Okay. Oh, anyways, now let's go look for Bydfi first. Please, again, you need to practice. I cannot teach you how to trade. Experience is your best teacher. Once you practice and you're good about it, then yes, you can venture into bigger money. But for you to get the free money, you need to use the links below, guys. Use the links below to sign up. You will get thousands of dollars if you meet their deposit bonuses. Okay, their deposit quorum, or whatever you want to call it. Anyways, now let's go look at my Bydfi first. Let's go close that. Bydfi right here. You guys remember a couple of days ago I was there $34,000. Now we're still up $27,000, even though the market is taking a breather, which is normal in a bull run. But yeah, we're still up $27,000. If you look at my position contracts, you see that on my quant, I am still up 223%, which is 16,200. Again, please don't trade like me if you don't have experience. I do trade very aggressively. I trade at 50x on all my trades. Any exchange that will let me do it, I go maximum. So yeah, I trade at 50x right there. So yeah, and for Casper is down 3%, which is $159. Again, I'm not worried about it, because like I'm telling you guys, Casper is about to take off to 25 or even 30 cents, and you guys will look at this position in a different angle. Anyways, now if you go look at my Phemex, let's go here. Phemex, let me sign in. On Phemex, you guys already knew. That's where I have my Jasmine trade, and it's my second Casper trade. Right here, I am up $33,000. Okay, perfect. Money, money. Okay, looking at the contracts, as you can see, for my Jasmine, I am up 138%, which is $15,000, almost $16,000. And for Casper, I am down 2%, which is $138. Again, Please don't trade like me if you don't have experience. Guys, I trade at 50x right there. Okay, so that's why I keep saying it. You need to have experience. You need to practice first before you get into higher leverage. Okay, so yeah, that's what it is right now. And now back to what I was talking to you guys about. I have to open my Margex because I want to explain to you how the fees work. Okay, so now let me open up my Margex right quick. Margex account, because yeah, as you guys can see, for Bydfi and Phemex, where the fees are low, the amount I'm going to make is really low compared to what I am going to make with Margex. On Margex, the fees are very high, higher than anywhere else. Therefore, yeah, for example, okay, let's look at my trades first. Here, you guys know I have 8 different trades, 1 on SUI, okay, and 7 trades on Casper. So if you look at my SUI trade, today I am up 388%, which is 3,800. I saw it above 4,000 earlier, but it's normal. SUI is taking a breather. That's okay. And now you look at my Casper trade. The first 2, they're up 104%, which is $1,000 each. Okay. You look at the next 2, they are up 281%, which is $2,817 each. As you can see right there. You look at the next one, I am up 589%, which is $5,898,000. Okay, and now you look at the last 2. Okay, those last 2, those are the biggest ones I have. They are up 260%, which is $11,065. Now, these last 2 each, for me to keep them open, it costs me an average of $80 a day for me to keep it open. And now I'm gonna tell you the reason why I'm gonna keep them open for the last until the top of the bull run for Casper. Now I already told you guys this before. Okay, let me just open one of them. See that? So far, okay, I have my fees for this trade that is open right now is $3,525. That is how much it is right now. I opened this trade October 31st, 2024. So I have had this trade open almost a month and a half, and the fees associated to it is $3,500 already. Now, a lot of you ask me, why do I want to do it? First of all, you look at the profit, okay? I am up $11,000. $11,000 if you take away $3,500, which means I'm sitting in a profit of approximately $8,000. Okay, so now it costs me $80 a day to keep it open. If I'm planning to keep it open till let's say the top of the bull run, let's say which is going to be 7 to 8 months from now, which means you have to, let's assume, I'm just taking an average, okay, a day, each month 30 days, okay, each month being 30 days times 8. If you do your math, let's go to my calculator right quick. So 80 per day times let's start with 30 days times 8 months, which is 240 days, right? So 240 days times $80, this is approximately $19,000 that is going to cost me just one of these positions, okay? 19,000, let's just say 20, just to keep the fun out of it. Now, but look at this, $20,000, okay? If you, let's just say, for example, things go my way and Casper goes all the way up. Let me just be like you guys, bearish. And Casper goes to $4, okay? $4 Casper, what is that? I'm going to take this one. This was the one I was using. Okay, so for example, $4 Casper, okay, it will be a profit of $842,000. And out of that, which means if I pay the $20,000 fees, I am taking home $820,000. Did you see why I take these trades? Even if the fees goes up to $50,000, I don't care, because I'm still going to make a lot of money out of it. Now, I keep saying, and I believe it, that Casper is going to go to $10. So if Casper goes to $10, $2.1 million, and I have to pay $20,000 in fees. You understand? That is the difference, when you open up a trade for a long term. Okay, let's take another trade, for example. Look at this, for example, SUI. Where's my SUI trade? This one. So far, I opened this trade November 29th of November. So it hasn't been 2 weeks yet. And so far, if you look at my fees, it's $672. Okay, let's bring out my calculator right quick. $672, which means in a day it cost me let's see, 672 divided by 14 days, which is 2 weeks. It cost me $48 to keep this trade open. Okay, so now for the next let's say for the next 8 months, okay, if you do that, 30 times 8, 240. Okay, now you go 240 times 48, $11,000 is what it's going to cost me for the next 6 to 8 months. Let's just say $12,000 to keep this trade open. But now look at this. Let's just say SUI goes up, because I think SUI is going to be between $30 to $70 this run. Let's just take the minimum, okay, which is $30 per SUI. At $30, this thing will make me $78,000. You see how much profit you're going to make if you just only take $12,000 for the fees? You're still going to make a lot of money out of it. That's what I'm telling you. When you're opening up leverage tradings in different exchanges, you have to make sure that you understand how the fees work. Understand? You have to know that you understand how fees work. I could close it right now and just pay the $600 and take the rest. But now I think I'm gonna make even more money if I just wait to the top of the bull run. Which again, yeah, fees might look crazy, but if you look at the amount of money that I'm going to make, it makes perfect sense. Understand? So let's go back here. Yeah, that is what people don't tell you. You really need to pay attention to those things we talk about in a leverage trade. Yeah, you're gonna make money, but you have to put in consideration those things. Okay. Now that being said, guys, thank you very much for being part of my millionaire journey. Thank you for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers, guys. Comment, like, and share this video, so that way other people like you and me with millionaire mind attitude can see this information and the family can grow. Man, you guys can tell I'm fighting with my voice right now. So I won't keep you longer. I need to go take my medicine. Again, thank you again for being part of my millionaire journey.